Om Sai Ram. In today's episode, let us uncover one of the lesser known and deeply inspiring Leelas of Sri Sai Baba, a divine incident where a devotee was blessed to perform a sacred act by placing 1200 logs of wood into the holy Dhuni at Dwarkamai as a form of spiritual purification. This powerful and transformative story is drawn from chapter 20 of Sri Shirdi Sainath Bhagavatam, written in Telugu language by Srimati Pavani Nirmala Prabhavati ji. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. One day, a devotee named Jamnabai came to Baba, heartbroken and in tears. She cried before Baba, saying, Baba, my husband has taken to drinking day and night. He has not spoken to me in the last 3 months and has completely stopped caring for our children and household. With 2 small children, I am unable to manage everything on my own. Please help me, Baba. How long must I bear this pain? Baba listened with compassion and said, Don't worry, Jamuna. I'll take care of your husband. Take this udi, mix it in water, and give it to him this evening. Then send him to me. Jamuna Bai left with hope in her heart. That evening, she gave the udi water to her husband, Yadugopal, and told him that Baba had asked him to come and meet him. Yadugopal, moved by her words, went to Baba and fell at his feet. He confessed, Baba, I truly want to stop drinking, but I am unable to control myself. Please help me, Baba. Baba looked at him and said, If you truly want to overcome this habit, then come to me every evening and stay here through the night. Serve me by performing seva for 30 nights. Only then will your prayer be fulfilled. Yadugopal agreed. From the next day onwards, he began following Baba's instructions without fail. Baba gave him the task of feeding the Dhuni fire by placing logs of wood one at a time. He was instructed to wait until the previous wood was fully burnt before placing the next. He was also told to remain awake the entire night and continuously chant the name of any form of God he believed in. Baba added, If you fail in your discipline, you may die. With complete surrender, Yadugopal obeyed Baba. For 30 nights, he stayed awake, serving the Dhuni with discipline and devotion. Though he initially did not have a specific deity in mind, he naturally began chanting Baba's name, Sai Ram, Sai Nath, Sai Baba, as he placed each log into the fire. Without even realizing how he managed it, he completed the entire 30 days of service with deep dedication. After completing 30 days of dedicated service, he approached Baba and humbly asked, Baba, may I stop now? Baba smiled and gently replied, Continue for another 10 days. In this way, he completed a total of 40 days, which is referred to as one mandalam, a spiritually significant and auspicious period. On the final day, Yadugopal came to Baba and said, Baba, I have placed 1200 logs in the Dhuni and chanted your name while doing so. Baba then revealed the deeper meaning of his seva. He said, Don't think you have just fed firewood to the Dhuni. In reality, you have burnt away the sins of many previous births. Just as in the fire of time, our life is consumed minute by minute. I made you understand this truth by giving you the task of burning wood slowly through the night. Yadugopal was spiritually awakened by Baba's words and returned home, completely transformed. From that day onward, he gave up all bad habits, worked sincerely, and took full responsibility for his family. As a token of eternal gratitude to Baba, he continued to offer 1200 logs to the Dhuni every year until the end of his life. This divine Leela reveals the boundless compassion of Sri Sai Baba, who lovingly uplifts each of his devotees in a way that is unique to their journey. Baba's methods may differ from person to person, moment to moment, but his purpose remains the same, to guide, purify and transform. His Leelas are beyond human understanding. Yet one thing is certain, he never abandons his devotees. In every situation, he gently leads them from confusion to clarity, from sorrow to strength, from darkness to light. This sacred story beautifully illustrates how Baba, in his own mysterious and merciful way, selects his devotees and blesses them, burning away their past karmas and igniting the flame of devotion in their hearts. He brings peace where there was pain and purpose where there was despair. let us always walk the path shown by Baba, have faith in his ways, and receive his divine blessings in every step of our lives. We'll meet again in the next episode with another beautiful and life-changing Leela of Sri Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram.